Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. I am so excited for today's video because we are going to be doing a Sephora haul. As you guys may know, the Sephora VIB event is going on right now for spring of 2020, which is where you get a discount on your purchase. So I'm very excited to go through the items I picked up. I feel like it's been quite a bit since I've done a Sephora haul, and there are a few new releases that I wanted to check out. I also picked up a couple staples, and I have a little bit of PR that are from new releases as well. Kind of just throwing in a big mix for you guys today. Before we do dive into the products that I picked up, I do want to mention that this video is sponsored by Top Cashback. If you guys haven't heard of them, they're an amazing platform that actually gives you a percentage back on your purchase. They work with over 4,000 different retailers, so chances are, wherever you're shopping, you're more than likely going to find a cashback option. And I love Top Cashback because they always offer a higher percentage than their competitors. I've checked this multiple times and they are always at the very top. They also give you your money super fast. Instead of having to wait like a certain period of time for you to get your money, as soon as you see it in your account, you can cash it out through PayPal, through an electronic funds transfer, and there's I think another option on there, but super easy ways to get your cash back, and you can get it pretty quick as well, and it's so easy to use. So if you guys want to sign up, they are doing a $10 bonus for shopping the Sephora event if you are new. I'll leave a link down below for you guys to check it out, but all you need to do is go to the website. You are going to enter in an email and what you want your password to be, and then they're going to send an email just to verify that this is your email. You click it, sign in, and you are good to go. All you have to do is type in where you're going to shop, and then it'll take you directly to the website to shop just like normal. Another new feature that they added is their browser extension, which I'm already obsessed with. That way, whenever you're shopping, if you're on a website and they have a cashback offer, it will pop up and you can just click it on your browser. So easy to download that, and Top Cashback is so awesome. I love being able to shop and then get even more money back in my account because most of the time I'm shopping for something anyway, so it's nice to get a little bit of money back. And again, make sure to sign up for them down below, and let's go ahead and dive in to the Sephora haul. Okay, so I did have like an old Sephora bag. So I went ahead and got my products in there since all of the shopping right now is being done online. And what do I want to grab first? Okay, so this is the first thing that I picked up. You guys know I'm a sucker for the Sephora Favorites. So this is the Sephora Favorites First Class Favorites. And I thought this would be really great to travel with. So you have the makeup eraser, which is like a cloth that you just add water to and it takes your makeup off. You have a lip sleeping mask. You get the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea setting mist, and a full size, oh, I didn't even realize that was full size, a full size of the Milk Makeup Cooling Water. This is $28, so with a discount it was even less expensive, plus I got money back from Top Cashback, so it's a really good deal, and it comes with a little bag that you can carry it in too. The next Sephora favorite that I picked up was the Poolside Party. Again, another one that comes in the bag. I just thought these were cute, and I did not even read all the products that were full size. There's actually 3 full-size products in this one, and I'll give you guys like a close-up of the package. But you get a full-size Sephora lipstick, you get a Jouer highlight, a mini of the Bum Bum Cream, a full-size Lights Camera Splashes mascara from Tarte, the Quay Hair Care Wave Spray. Ooh, the Patrick Ta 4-Body. This is a Major Glow Body Oil. You get the Super Goop Sunscreen and then a Sugar Lip Balm. So this is also a really good deal. It is, where's the price? They always have the price. I think it was like $36 or so. And this bag's super cute. It has like a little palm tree on it also. Okay, next thing that I was really excited about. I mean, I'm excited about all these products because again, it's been a little bit since I personally like went and makeup shopped. But this is a new product from Tatcha. This is the Liquid Silk Canvas. I actually have the silk canvas that's in like the round, it's almost like you scoop it out with like a, not a spoon, but it's like this little coin thing that comes in it. And so I'm really excited to try this one. I have heard really good things about it. Here's the packaging that it comes in. It's 1 ounce, and it's just supposed to make your makeup look like silky smooth, like a silk canvas. I'm excited. So maybe I can do one side with the liquid, one side with the like normal one and see how they turn out, but I'll definitely keep you guys updated and let you know how it works. Then I grabbed a couple restocks. So I know I told you guys that I was completely out of the banana bread. Oh my gosh, was it banana bread? Yes. Woo. All right, banana bread by Huda. Like, it is completely out. I think I might even order like 1 shade under it to do like my under eye brighter, but oh my gosh, I love, love, love this Huda Beauty. I love the little packaging it comes in too, and it's just such a great powder. I honestly will set all over my face with this, set under my eyes. It's just so like thin, and it just like really sets your face. I love it. It's great to bake with if you're into that kind of thing. I don't really love baking, so I rarely bake these days. But yeah. Then we have the Becca 24-Hour Foundation. And I did get the shade Tan. It is way darker than I am right now, but I plan on this summer hopefully being out by the pool as long as the weather's good. And so this is like a much darker summer shade for me. I love this. It is so full coverage, like nobody's business. It is pretty thick, but I love the way that it goes on. I love the way that it wears. And what I do, because it can be a little bit drying, is I like to go in with the Kevyn Aucoin. This is called the Neo Elixir. It is a beauty oil, and I had this before. I used the entire thing up, and I loved mixing it in with my foundation and just giving me that really dewy look. Obsessed. So here's what this looks like. It comes in a little dropper. One thing I'll make sure to not do is maybe like put it on my face first. No, wait. One thing I will not do is put it on my face last, because last year I actually put foundation on and then I went through and like dripped it on. I got it too close to my face, and so when I went to like release the pump back up, it sucked in some of the foundation, and so it was just gross and nasty in the tube. But I'm very excited to again mix these two together. I feel like this is such a good combination for me. Again, the Becca keeps me pretty like not dry through the day, but it keeps me pretty matte. But I like to mix this in whenever I'm putting it on. So very excited about those repurchases. Next thing that I got, I've actually been very into like fashion beauty bloggers lately, like following them on Instagram and all the like cute outfits that they wear. And one of the girls I like to follow most, her name is Whitney. She owns a boutique and she lives down in Murrells Inlet in South Carolina, I believe. I like follow her story every single day, and she was raving about this Hourglass lip gloss. I'm not one that just goes out and buys the lip gloss. It's just not my thing. Normally I'll have to like shop around, but the shade is called Enchant, and she just like raved over and over about how pretty it was. This is very pretty. I didn't even like pull up swatches or anything. I saw it on her and she just kept talking about how nice it was. So what do we think? Need to get like a mirror out or something so I can actually see. Okay, well that mirror's not gonna work. Does this benefit have a mirror? Yes. Oh, I think it looks pretty good. So again, this is in the shade Enchant. I'm gonna actually go ahead and swatch it for you guys on my hand so you can see. It's a very opaque lip gloss. I feel like it's a little bit lighter than what I would normally go for, but hey, with a tan in the summer, I feel like you can't go wrong. So I'm excited to try this out. It feels good on the lips. It does kind of smell or taste like a tad bit minty, but not anything overpowering. So there is that. And I'll leave all these products linked down below for you guys as well. Then, oh, speaking of Becca Cosmetics, they did actually send me 2 products through Octoly. So again, I wanted to show you guys some of the PR. I did not get all of my Sephora boxes, and I wanted to go ahead and get this video up for you guys because I think the event ends on the 27th, and so I feel like mail is being very delayed these days. But they sent over 2 different products. So the first one is the Becca Ultimate Coverage Longwear Concealer. So again, I did pick this up at the Sephora sale, and I feel like this will be a really great match to it. I think it's almost, is it the same kind of thing? The Ultimate Coverage Longwear. This one's called the Ultimate Coverage. Yes. Okay, great. That's going to work perfect, because I'm telling you guys, I'm very picky about foundations, and this Becca one is definitely like in my top 3 foundations, which is huge because I've tried so many. So I got the shade Bananas, what they sent me. I think this will be really great for the under eyes, and oh my goodness, if it has coverage like this, and it does, like this foundation does, I'm going to be just set because I love a full coverage look. So there's that. It may be a tad bit light for me once I like get a tan, but I will make it work because I can already tell just by swatching it like how full coverage this is, and I'm all about that life. They also came out with these Becca Ignite Liquidfied Light Highlighter. They sent me the shade Creativity. And you guys, I feel like Becca is so known for their highlights. They're so gorgeous. I feel like any and every highlight that I have from Becca Cosmetics, it just looks so beautiful on the skin. This is just on another level. It has like so many dimensions to it. Like whenever I move it around with the colors, whenever the quarantine stuff is over, y'all should definitely go in store and swatch this. Okay, so let's swatch it on the hand. Okay, definitely put way too much on my hand. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. Oh my gosh, it is just like so liquidy. I'm gonna like put it over here and see what this looks like very, very blended in. Look at how pretty that is. I mean, you could really like get your collarbone and stuff popping with this just all over. I cannot believe that shine. I feel like Becca has really been killing it lately. I mean, they kill it all the time, but love those products. Thank you so much to Becca Cosmetics and Octoly for sending those over. So I know the other two things on one of the orders that I'm waiting for is that Glow Recipe came out with a new toner. I think it's maybe watermelon. I'm trying to like open up a package right now. But I'm very excited about that. And I also ordered some of the like swab cotton pads to use with the toner. Ooh la la. So Benefit actually sent this over. I'm so excited about this. It is the new Georgia Golden Peach Blush. And I do believe it is available now. Yes, online. $3.10. So I'll leave a link again down below if you guys want to get it with a discount. And let's see what this shade look. It looks really pretty. It's like neutrally but peachy at the same time. Oh, does it smell? It smells a little bit. I have a really bad nose. Oh, so here's what that looks like. And here is swatched. It has a very beautiful sheen. It's definitely a blush, but I feel like you could even get away with it as a highlight, especially if you have like a darker complexion. Oh, this is gonna be so pretty with a tan. I cannot wait. I feel like this is a really good summertime blush and spring. Oh, thank you so much, Benefit. Then we have a package that came from Huda Beauty and Wish. Let me make sure this is sold at Sephora. Pretty positive that it is. Wishful, excuse me. Oh yes, it is. Okay, so these are new products. Wishful is a brand, I believe, that was created by Huda Beauty, and they're coming out with all things skincare. Ooh, these look really nice. So you have like a chin lift mask. I honestly need that. A thirst trap cocoon mask that is for lots of hydration, as you can see. So let's see what they sent over. So they sent, ooh, 2 of each. So we have the thirst trap mask in this really nice holographic packaging. Then we have the chin lift. It says sculpting cheek mask. This is so funny. It says it has a lifting effect with enhanced jawline, sculpted appearance, and hydration. And you just like put it on your chin and hook it around your ears. This is so crazy. You leave this on for 20 to 30 minutes. It says, having tried everything over the years, Huda wanted a quick fix solution that would give her a snatched jawline in minutes. The unique combination of cooling hydrogel packed with a powerful ingredient to tighten skin and strong lift tape to help physically define the jawline. It's a revolutionary mask that is a game changer. I cannot wait for it to change my game because I need it. So I screamed when I got this package. So the next package came from Kate Summerville. Again, these products are available at Sephora. Okay, so the first one is called the Kate Summerville. This is the one for acne, and it's called Eradikate Daily Foaming Cleanser. Eradikate Daily Foaming Cleanser. It's an acne treatment, and it definitely looks almost like a pink clay mask. Says use in the AM and PM twice a day, apply small amounts. I love Kate Summerville cleansers. I used to use the Exfoliate one, but I haven't tried these. Ooh, the next one is goat milk. I feel like that one's gonna be very nice and gentle. Oh, I love the packaging on this. It's nice and lavender. So this one says it's a creamy moisturizing cleanser enriched with soothing goat milk, natural milk, peptides, and nourishing honey that gently removes impurities, oil, and makeup without stripping skin of essential moisture. Okay, so excited about that one. Then lastly, we have the Gentle Daily Wash. This one says, perfect skin begins with Kate's Delicate Gel Cleanser. I have not tried these. I'm so excited. So here's what this one looks like. Again, a big thank you to Kate Summerville. I wish I could have showed you even more products, you guys. Like I said, my other order is not coming in. I think I may place one more order. I need, what was it that I needed? Oh, one of my shades of Huda Beauty Concealer that I'm obsessed with. So let me know, what did you guys pick up? Is there anything that I'm missing? Anything I should pick up that's new? Let me know in the comments below. And do not forget to download Top Cashback. They are so great at saving you guys the most money because you're going to be getting money back on your purchases. So again, I'll leave that link down below. And I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.